For my next project, I'm going to be helping a family member, my sister specifically. We're going to remove this two-piece shower tub combo with these sliding doors. This is probably 30 years old, and we're going to be putting in a walk-in shower kit from Home Depot. The first step is going to be to remove this unit, and I'm going to try to do it with minimal damage so I have less things to fix when it comes time to install the new walk-in shower. These old doors have got wheels falling off and it doesn't slide very good anymore, and it's kind of a mess and hard to clean. Some people like to switch them out and put shower curtains in. So that's what we're going to take out first, and then we'll be removing the rest of the items so we can tear this entire unit out of here and put in that walk-in shower. This is the center on the inside of the tub. There's a little keeper here that keeps the doors from coming out of that track. And this one's been siliconed and the screw is stripped out. So the silicone is actually holding that on there, but that prevents the doors from coming out. We need to remove this. So usually you just remove a screw. In this case, I'm going to remove a screw and then scrape that out of there with a screwdriver. And we're not going to keep anything here, so I don't care about scratching the tub. But if you're trying to save the tub and you just want to remove the doors, you should consider using like plastic razor blades or a plastic scraper to cut the silicone bead across here and anything that you're using up against the tub so you don't scratch it. So this is a Phillips screw. Probably not the original. Honestly, I don't know. But we'll remove that. Now the doors can swing out on the bottom, which is what we want. Just grab the door and pull it in towards you. Then you can lift it up so the wheel comes off the track up above. And then you can pull the door out. And the second door removes exactly in the same fashion. Next, we need to remove the top rail. And typically that's not fastened down, it's just sitting on top of the side rails or the top of the shower in this case as well. And it's just silicone around the edges. So I pushed on that a little bit and broke it free. And it'll lift off of there. This side's a little bit tighter with silicone, so I'm going to take a utility knife and just cut the silicone. And again, if you're trying to save the tub, don't cut with the utility knife around the insert because you'll scratch it. This is where the plastic razor blades will come in handy if you're trying to keep it and clean it up and reuse the tubs around. That'll break it free. And then we can remove the top rail. Now for the side rails, there's a bead of silicone probably on the outside as well as the inside. So I'm going to take my knife, or if you're trying to keep it, a plastic razor blade, and break the seal of the silicone all the way down both sides. And then you've got 3 screws that go into the wall or into the unit. One more down here. And this black stuff is the adhesive just kind of melted and ran down there. So remove the 3 screws, cut the caulking, and then you should be able to pry that free from the side. So they all came out pretty easy. Once you break the seal with your plastic scraper or your knife on that silicone that's down the side, it'll just lift off, and the bottom lifts right off of there too once you get the silicone stripped away from the edges. Then you'll take those plastic scrapers and just clean up all this leftover silicone that's on there. And you might have to use maybe some rubbing alcohol or something to just wipe that down and clean it up. But you should be able to get it pretty well cleaned up. And these 3 holes can be filled with a kit that you can get off of Amazon. I'll link that in the description. But what I thought I would use was just some plastic plugs, and I'll also link those in the description. You just have to make sure you cut the holes to the proper size to use the plugs. So that's how you remove glass shower doors and frame from a tub or from a shower if you want to replace it with something new, or maybe just put in a brand new shower door. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos of the complete transformation from this combination bathtub shower into a walk-in shower with a Castico shower kit from Home Depot.